Yeah. TGIF guys, it's your girl Misha here. I am back with another scent review for you. Now today is another blind buy like I promised in my last video. And this one here, literally this one, when I said the other fragrance wasn't giving, this one is giving. It is ancestors and those before and those before. This is a really strong fragrance. So if you like light, dainty, like you know, I like this, my fragrance that stays close to my skin. I don't really want to make a scene. I just want to smell fresh and clean. This ain't it. Seriously, this is not it. If you want to be boom as soon as you walk on the scene, some people might not like the smell, some people might love the smell type of fragrance, then this is the fragrance for you. Now this is a blind buy from me looking at reviews. Now the pineapple is what grabbed me because the pineapple is a top note in this fragrance. But without further ado, I'm just going to show you first the presentation. The presentation is everything. I got this off one of those other websites. It was like FragranceNet or fragrance.com or perfume.com. Y'all know. All y'all know. Okay? So, this is the beautiful bottle. This is HARAMAIN. And this is Amber Oud Gold Collection. Like, look at that. So this is the bottle. It's like a wood. Beautiful, beautiful. I didn't even read the back. It just has like the ingredients as far as like you know, the alcohol and kind of stuff like that. But it doesn't tell you any notes or anything on the back. But it is Amber Oud, and it has scents of like it's a fruity oud, like a fruity oud. So you open it, and this is the presentation that you get. Nice velvet-like or felt-like background, and it's securely in there. So as you can see, then you get this beautiful gold bottle. This bottle stole the show on my little vanity because I'm just starting, so I don't have like a lot, right? And I thought I was doing something with the little bit I had until this baby here came in the bottle. I mean, came in the mail, and she was given, like I said, she was given for herself, her mother them, her ancestors and them, and all. Like, he did that. This is a very strong, you wouldn't think it's so strong because look at the liquid. It's like a really clear golden liquid. But this one of those fragrances I'm scared to just spray. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Because it lingers, it stays for days. So I do my makeup in here. And I put it on my, like I was spraying. I don't even know how I got on this fan, y'all. Because I dry my makeup with this, right? So I don't even know how. It was stuck on this fan. I swear to God, it had to be like a week. I'm sorry, Lord forgive me. I don't want to swear on you, but I'm telling you guys, almost a week, at least a week. I was like, wow, this is a beast. And then I sprayed it to test it, and that particular day I got a headache. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I had a headache from this fragrance. But then I said, let me try it. If I keep looking this way, it's because I got a window here and I'm so nosy every time something go by. I'm doing this. But anyways, and so I said, let me try it again, because I'm like, it's so pretty, I want to love it. You know how you get a fragrance you want to love? So I say, let me try it again. Instead of putting it on my clothes, I think I put it on, so it lingered. It was the strongest on the clothes. So when I actually wore it on the skin, beautiful. Beautiful. You get all of the you get all of the fruity notes. You get your musk, like heavy musk that's going on in here. You get that oud, the oud, you know, because oud is strong. So that's why the blend, it has to be right with the fruit or floral, whatever they're using with it, because it will take over. It will take over, and musk the same way. So yeah, this is good. So I seen another review from, what's her name? I'm gonna turn off my little music. Hold on. I think her name Perfume Lover 09. I watched it this morning, and she was saying how it's her. She got the rouge kind, amber. What is it? What she got? She got amber oud rouge, and it's the red and gold bottle that's made just like this. But she was saying that that bottle gives her baccarat extrait. Now you know I gotta buy it. I will be buying that one because I need to. I never smelt the extrait, but I'm in love with the original baccarat perfume. So yeah, I'm ready to try that. So I will be purchasing the Amber Oud Rouge. I'm just checking to make sure I said her name right, guys. But I think it was, I'm sorry, I think it was Perfume Lovers 09. I'll insert it on the front. She has a really good channel. I just found her this morning, and I'm intrigued to go back and, you know, kind of binge watch her taste and see, because like I'm new, so I want to know what's out there, what's good, what smells good, what showstoppers, you know, what are the mild, meek but silent killers. You know, I like those too. I want to know, like, what are good fragrances for the when you going to work out and stuff like that, because I'm a fragrance freak. Long as I can remember, I don't care if I had the little Primo, little purse, little body spray. I used to love Primo. I loved Little Red Dress. I loved Rockstar, I think it's called. Those little things, don't sleep on them. If you walking past in the Dollar Family, Dollar General, and you see those little grab one, sis. I'm telling you, it smells so good. They are so potent, and my mama used to use those. That's why I started grabbing them, trying to be like my mom, and I fell in love with them. I forget the brand, but you can even find them in like Walmart in the big bottles. But yeah, I still buy those and put those in my purse. I've always loved fragrances, especially out the shower. Bath and Body Works, I love a light mist as soon as I get out the shower. I just have to smell something. So, but yeah, this here is the grandma of my fragrances as of right now. Like, she literally is the beast of my fragrances that I own bottles of. Now, I got some beasts in the testers, but this honey here is out of the full bottles that I have so far. She takes the crown as the queen of the mantle, because they own like a little mantle. She takes the crown of the mantle, honey. And so I just wanted to look, y'all see, I ain't even sprayed it. I swear, it's like I have a scary love for this, and that's weird. I know it's good. I know it's gonna stay on all day, but I'm like, I don't know. Let me go on it. It's just the oud is really strong. This is good. This is a really good fragrance. Everybody might not like it. I don't know. My taste is oudy. I love oudy stuff. So if you like ouds and you've never tried this, I seen I think her name Perfume Lovers 09. She said that this one puts you in the mind of Good Girls Gone Bad by Killian. I haven't smelt that yet. I do have a Killian Discovery set, and can't wait to come and do a sniff and talk on that one too. So I'm gonna look it up, and so I can just talk about the notes that I'm getting. Okay, so the notes, top notes are bergamot and green notes. The middle notes are melon, sweet notes, pineapple, and amber. Base notes are vanilla, musk, and woody notes. So it can be a tad strong. So I would say 1 to 2. Like, I'm an oversprayer, but this I wouldn't overspray. And it's summertime. Like, to me, it's summertime all year round here until it get a little cool in Florida. But it's hot. It's hot. And so you don't need much of this. It's gonna perform. Just do 1 or 2 and put on your other little light mist. This will wear down over time during the day, and it won't be so prominent. So that's why I wouldn't mind throwing like a little lighter mist on top of it, because as it dies down, it won't be so prominent, and you don't put much on it, so you gotta worry about it. But it will still give you that you know, that you're looking for, or a taste of oud that you may want to add to your fragrance for the day. But yes, this is really great. So I'm gonna do a skin test and stop being scary. I don't have to do a skin test, but just for the sake of the video, the spray is great. Look, it's strong, nice. You don't need a whole lot. Just I'm telling you, you have been warned. You have been warned. But it's really good. It's really good. Like, it takes me back to every fragrance I love. Take me somewhere in my childhood, somewhere in my life that was good. And I never can really sometimes put the finger on it. Like right now I can't put my finger on it, but I know it was a great time. They just do something. They imprint something in my spirit, in my brain. And when I smell something similar to that, it just does something to me. So again, if you were looking for a great presentation, and this is supposed to be a I think this is this, I think this may be unisex. But my son said he's like, it's too sweet for him. This one here is too sweet. Yeah, this one for women, so that's why he don't like it. But yeah, you do get that bergamot, you get the green notes, you get melon, sweet notes, pineapple, amber, and then you get that vanilla, musky, woodsy notes. And I think that's what make it a beast, that right there, and that amber that's in there. But yeah, other than that, guys, I recommend this. It's great to have in your collection. And I think depending on where you stay, you can use this year round, even if you have to maybe just, you know, dumb it down or enhance it depending on the climate you live in. But yeah, this is one of my favorites so far. It really is a really great blind buy. And like I said, I'm going to get the rouge one as well, because just the presentation of that bottle with the red and the gold, I gotta have that on my mantle. So again, thank you guys for joining me. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up so we can get the channel out there, grow the channel. It's a little infant right now, so I want to get some more eyes and more people on the channel. And if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great weekend, enjoy yourself, and smell good, baby. And leave your scent down below. Let me know what you smell like today. Bye.